Drones are booming in the US, with nearly 864,000 registered and over 330,000 certified pilots. As this trend continues, safety is paramount. That's where Drone Safety Day, or DSD, steps in. DSD is tomorrow, Saturday, April 27th. It's an annual campaign focused on educating drone users about safe flying practices while also promoting fun activities and building a strong community. So let's learn more about this yearly event and see how you can become a safer and more responsible drone pilot. Drone Safety Day emphasizes the benefits of safe drone operations across various sectors like education, economics, equity, environment, and emergency response through in-person, virtual, and hybrid events. Knowing how to be safe while flying drones is extremely important, not only for yourself, but for other individuals and aircraft around you. From revolutionizing education to enhancing safety and accessibility in aviation, drones are changing the game. Drone technology can offer several benefits for many different industries. Environmental benefits include inspecting infrastructure such as bridges, buildings, and power lines. They also play a crucial role in emergency situations, including search and rescue missions, natural disasters, firefighting, and more. Around the globe, drones are providing endless possibilities to shape our world for the better. The FAA pushes the acronym of Fly Right, with RIGHT standing for Register Your Drone through FAA Drone Zone, interact with others, gain knowledge, have a safety plan, and trust and train. They also promote some fun drone activities you can do at home. Some ideas include a drone scavenger hunt, where you go around and try and take drone photos of random items like a mailbox, an animal, or a red car. Another idea is to practice some drone skills, like flying in a square shape or in a circle around you. If you want to learn some more skills to try out with your drone, check out this video here. It shows you 15 exercises to become more confident in flying your drone. You could also watch some drone racing as well. Of course, remember to make sure that you are allowed to fly in certain areas. For more info on that, you can check out this video here. Overall, we at UAV Coach want drone flying to be an enjoyable experience for everyone, whether you're just doing it for fun or want to make a career out of it. If you're just flying for recreation and live in the US, you are required to take the Recreational UAS Safety Test, or TRUST for short. It's free, takes about 30 minutes, and you don't need any prior drone knowledge. You also can't fail it, as the test allows for unlimited attempts. UAV Coach is an FAA-approved test administrator of TRUST with over 100,000 recreational drone flyers trained. You can check it out here or in the links below. And if you want to take your passion for drones a step further and become FAA certified for commercial work, Drone Pilot Ground School can help with that. We offer the #1 online test prep course in the industry and guarantee that you pass the Part 107 exam on the first try. Drone Pilot Ground School has helped over 60,000 students pass the exam and become Part 107 certified, including me. Check out more details about it here or in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more drone tips. And in the comments, I'd love for anyone to share any fun drone exercises you do with your friends, family, or yourself. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.